Alright, so we're at Balsam Lake Mountain Trail. It is a 4.9 mile trail. It goes up to a fire tower and then straight back. Now, I got my nephew Tyler with me again today. Say hi, Tyler.
Hey.
And we're just getting started. Alright, so we're here at the trailhead and Tyler is signing us in for the day. Alright, so we're just taking a little water break here and a little rest before we start up this real steep part again. It's been not too bad, pretty mellow so far. I mean, it's a steady elevation gain, but hasn't been real bad. And I'm only sweating like a piglet, not a pig yet. So we're getting there. I think I forgot to put my watch on. So far, my watch says we've been 0.4 miles, so we're probably somewhere is a little over half mile or more. You think something like that?
Yeah, it's a
into the.
Oh, you didn't start it
into
that
the hike.
late.
I mean, I could look on my phone, but the hell with that.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's nice. It's quiet, quiet and very peaceful. Alright, so we have a little update here. We just realized we've been hiking for the last 1.4 miles in the wrong direction. So when we were at the parking area back there, we were supposed to cross the road and take a trail from there. We took the trail right out of the parking lot, so we were headed in the opposite direction. And it took me this long to figure out we're going the wrong way. We're wondering why we're going so much downhill and the fire tower is supposed to be on top of a mountain. So we started wondering, and then we just checked our GPS on the phone on the All Trails app, and yeah, we're off track big time. So we're gonna hike 1.4 miles back to the car, and we'll decide then what we're doing. We may still try for the fire tower. We're not sure yet. We could reload. I got extra water in the car, so we can reload our water and stuff. But we only got 2 Cliff bars each, so that could be a problem. Alright, so we're headed back to where we came from. I'll make a really good navigator, right? I guess it doesn't look like a interstate, so I guess whoa! Almost fell. That was close. Alright, I'm alright. I almost went down. Save the camera. Alright, so we're back at the trailhead now. The wrong trailhead. And Tyler here is going to sign us back out. Should always sign in and out of your trails. This way they get a good head count so they can request funding for all these areas. Alright, so now we have just left the trailhead again, going in the right direction. We got 3 miles to the fire tower. If we can make it. We've already done 3 miles. So we'll take it slow and easy, see what happens. Alright, here we are at the correct sign-in sheet for the hike that we wanted to do. So we're going to sign in again. Alright, so we're now 3/4 of a mile from the fire tower. We're definitely on the right path this time. We just came through a little junction here. It was very well marked. So we should be there in about 30 minutes. Something like that.
Hello people, I'm Tom. I'm one of the volunteers up here. My wife Lori is over there in the clearing. I should be wearing a mask, so...
Well, I'm definitely more than 6 feet away from you, so...
Well, they just asked me to have a mask on whenever there was people present, so I try to be a good soldier.
I got one in my pocket.
No problem.
Thank you.
I've done many, well, Beaver Kill is only 2 miles away.
Hi. Because it's in New York, but it's listed as a Massachusetts one.
All right, guys, we're up on top of Balsam Lake Fire Tower. It's gorgeous. Gorgeous. All right, so we're coming down from the summit now. That was real nice up there. We spent about 45 minutes or so, an hour. Great views from the fire tower. And the fire tower volunteer people were real friendly. Got a lot of information about how the fire tower system used to work and why they're not needed anymore. But yeah, good times. All right, so we are now back at the parking lot of the Balsam Lake Fire Tower Trail. So that says 3 miles from here. So we did 6 up and back, and then we did an extra 3 miles the wrong way. We got 9 miles in today. That's pretty good for us. We are done. Feeling good, but tired. Tired, hungry, and wanting a nice hot shower. That's for sure. And there's my companion, Tyler. Holding him up all day, but he's a good guy to put out front. Did you get it?
No, don't. Yours is different.
Yeah, just go like this. You just unlatch these and then they just slide in.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Easy peasy.
What's that up here? Nothing? That's it? Yeah, the latch back down. Oh.
Let's see what my watch says, guys. Because my watch wasn't on the whole time either. Save. Okay, it's saving. It's figuring out what I did. 7.63 miles, but I didn't turn my watch on right away. I didn't set the hike up on it right away.
About 9 miles, probably.
It says I need 4 days to recover from that again. Wow. And we were hiking. Okay, so we did an elevation gain of 1587. That's a lot. I'll have to verify these numbers because they're completely different. The other one said 3,000. So, I don't know which one's right. It doesn't matter, they're both a lot. Put this in here. You want water or are you good? Alright. We're gonna get in the truck and head home to a hot shower and something to eat. I'm hungry.
Yeah.
See you guys. Take care. Bye for now.